Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to cancel your order and request a refund on Temu quickly and easily. First step is open the Temu app. Tap on the U tab at the bottom and select your orders. Scroll through your orders and tap on the one you want to cancel. Here it's on Processing tab. Click the item and tap on Cancel Item. Proceed canceling the order. Next step. Tap on Cancel Order and select a reason and hit Submit. Choose the payment method you want to receive the payment. Click Submit and it will show Refund to original payment method. I will click that and click Yes. Reminder, if your order has already been shipped, cancellation won't be possible. But don't worry, you can request a refund once the item arrives. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to cancel an order and get a refund on Temu with ease. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.